डियर स्टूडेंट्स, लास्ट टर्न पे हमने डेज वाले क्वेश्चंस किए थे, ईयर वाले किए थे क्वेश्चंस, और मैंने आप लोगों को कुछ एग्जांपल्स भी बताए थे। कम्युलेटिव एक्सरसाइज तो मैं आपको बाद में बताऊंगा, पहले हम लोग और टाइप के क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करते हैं। और ये सब क्वेश्चंस आपके एकेडमिक्स के लिए तो बच्चों बहुत अच्छे हैं ही, लेकिन कोई भी कंपटीशन हो, बैंकिंग का हो, सीए का हो, और भी कोई बड़े से बड़े आईएएस पीसीएस के कंपटीशन हो, उनके लिए ये बहुत बहुत जरूरी हैं। तो वी विल डिस्कस द क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू क्लॉक। क्लॉक से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे, हम डिस्कस करेंगे। आप लोगों को इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा तो बेसिक आइडिया है ही। दिस इज 12, देन 1 2 3 4 5, हेयर 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, एंड आपको पता है एक घंटे में कितने मिनट होते हैं, एक मिनट में कितने सेकंड होते हैं। ये सब चीज़ें आपको बहुत अच्छे से आती हैं, लेकिन हम वो चीज़ डिस्कस करेंगे, वो बातें करेंगे जो चीज़ें आपने अभी तक पढ़ी नहीं है। कुछ बेसिक से कंसेप्ट्स हैं, उन्हें आप प्लीज़ लिख लीजिए नोट्स की तरह से, क्योंकि आप लोगों के वो बहुत काम आने वाले हैं। सबसे पहले बेसिक कंसेप्ट में आप लिखेंगे अ क्लॉक इज कंप्लीट सर्कल हैविंग 360 डिग्री रिवॉल्यूशन। आपको पता है अगर आप इसे पूरा का पूरा घुमाएंगे तो 360 डिग्री का रिवॉल्यूशन होगा। It is further divided into 12 equal parts. Each part, see, total 12 parts and total 360 degree. So each part will be of 360 upon 12, that is 30 degree. So in 1 minute it covers what? 360 upon 60, because in 1 hour we have got 60 minutes. So in 1 minute we will cover 360 upon 60, 6 degree in 1 minute. It covers 6 degree. What covers 6 degree? Minute hand. R hand की बात नहीं कर रहा हूं. There are two hands. One is longer one, bigger one, and one is shorter one. This shorter one is said to be R hand, and longer one is said to be minute hand. We are talking about the minute hand. That particular hand will cover 6 degree in 1 minute. After that, our hand covers just one part out of the above obtained 12 equal parts. It means it covers 30 degree in 60 minutes. Our hand will cover 30 degree in 60 minutes. That is 1.5 degree per minute. Therefore, the relative speed of minute hand, relative speed means the speed of minute hand with respect to our hand, is 6 degree minus half degree, that is 5.5, that is 5.5. Relative speed, relative speed of minute hand is 1/2 degrees. You know, relative speed means corresponding to our hand. ये सब नोट्स आप बना लेंगे. Every hour both the hands coincide once. In an hour they will coincide once. You know, at 12 o'clock they will coincide at 1.5, little more than that they will coincide, and so on. So in every hour they will coincide once. In 12 hours they will coincide only 11 times. You must know the reason why they will coincide in 12 hours in 11 times, because only one such incident between 12 to 1 clock, 12 से 1 बजे के बीच में सिर्फ एक बार वो कंसाइड कर रहे हैं। तो यही एक वजह है कि वो पूरे 12 आवर्स में सिर्फ 11 बार एक दूसरे के साथ कंसाइड करती है, एक दूसरे के साथ, एक दूसरे के ऊपर होता है। The hands are in same straight line when they are coincident or opposite. जब दोनों हैंड या तो एक दूसरे के ऊपर होंगे तब कंसाइड करेंगे, या बिल्कुल अपोजिट होंगे तब करेंगे, then they will make 180 degree or make a straight line. This is one more statement. When two hands are at right angle, there are 15 minutes space apart. सबको पता है बेटा, जब दोनों के बीच में 90 डिग्री होगा तो 15 मिनट्स होगा, क्योंकि एक डिग्री में 6 मिनट होते हैं. In 1 hour, they will form two right angles. In 12 hours, there are 22 right angles. ये डायरेक्ट लर्न कर लेंगे बेटे आप, सीधे सीधे क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे आपको इसके बेसिस पे. In 1 hour, they will form two right angles. In 12 hours, there are 22 right angles. It happens due to right angle formed by minute hand and hour hands at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. ये दो आपके एक ही बार होते हैं. Then next is when the hands are in opposite direction. When hands are in opposite direction, they are 30 minutes apart. जाहिर सी बात है, because when they are in opposite direction, we have got in 1 minute 66 degree. So 30 minute 180 degree. Quite easy है, आप इसको आराम से समझ सकते हो. If a clock indicates 9:15 when the correct time is 9 and it is said to be 15 minutes too fast. It indicates 8:15 that correct time is 8:30 and it is said to be 15 minutes too slow. No need to think about this. This is little confusing for you. I will explain you this thing at the time of questions. If both the hour hand and minute hand move at their normal speed, then both the hands meet after 65 complete 5/11 minutes. यानी दोनों अगर एक साथ अपनी स्पीड से चलें तो ये कितने मिनट बाद मिलेंगे? 65 5/11 मिनट्स बाद मिलेंगे. रीजन क्या है, प्रूफ क्या है, doesn't matter, that we will discuss later. Now 22 times a day the hands of clock will be straight line opposite in direction. 44 times a day the hands of clock are at right angle. 22 times a day the hands of clock are coincide. आपको ये बेसिक सी चीजें मैंने आपको रिवाइज करने के लिए और बेसिक सा आइडिया देने के लिए बता दी हैं. अभी मैं आप लोगों को कुछ क्वेश्चंस बताऊंगा और आपसे करने के लिए भी दूंगा ताकि आप इसको अच्छे से समझ जाएं. सपोज करो क्वेश्चन है, find the angle between hour hand and minute hand of a clock when the time is 3:25. 3:25 पे 3:25 पे लगभग इन दोनों के बीच में एंगल क्या होगा? 3:25 पर. What is the angle between hour hand and minute hand of a clock when the time is 3:25? I am giving you 5 minutes. You just try to find it and then I will explain you. I hope you have done it, but let me explain you and you just match your answer. Beta, whenever we need to solve these type of questions, always think about the complete cycle, because the speed of minute hand and hour hand will be determined by their complete cycle, and we know that the angle traced by hour hand in 12 hours, angle traced by hour hand in 12 hours is 360. एंगल ट्रेस्ड बाय मिनट हैंड इन कितने मिनट में पूरा 360 करता है? 60 मिनट्स इज 360 डिग्री. इज इट विजिबल? $360 and here also 360 means hour hand will complete its complete cycle in 12 hours, minute hand complete its complete cycle in 60 minutes. Now simply the angle traced by our hand, angle traced by our hand in, what is the time given to you? 3 hours 25 minutes will be what? First of all, convert this in terms of minutes. Angle traced by our hand in 3 hours 25 minutes. First of all, let us convert this situation into hours. 25 upon 60, and it gives us 5 upon 12, that is 41 upon 12 hours. Means angle traced by our hand in 41 upon 12 hours will be 360 upon 12, because it is covered 360 degree in 12 hours into 41 upon 12 we have just found. Let us solve it little bit. It gives us 205 upon 2. You just calculate it. Angle traced by our hand in 3 hours 25 minutes. Now angle traced by minute hand in 25 minutes. In 1 minute it will cover 360 upon 25, that is 6 degree. You also know about this, I have just told you. So you just multiply 360 upon 60, अगर नहीं भी याद है, वरना आपको पता है कि 1 मिनट में 6 डिग्री घूमती है, तो 25 मिनट में कितना घूमेगी? 25 into 6, that is 150 degree. Now required angle. Required angle means angle traced by our hand in 3 hour 25 minutes minus angle traced by, if this equation is A and this equation is B, and minus angle traced by minute hand in 25 minutes. It will be 205 upon 2 minus 150 degree, and it is, this is more than that. You have to take, it will be either you will get the answer in terms of negative. So whatever is more, just subtract lesser than that. 150 minus 205 upon 2, that is 300 minus 205, that is 95 upon 2 डिग्री. तो ये आपका आंसर आ गया. दोबारा से मैं आपको इसको थोड़ा सा इसको आसानी से समझा देता हूं बेटा. जब भी दो सुइयों के बीच में एंगल निकालना है तो आपको कुछ नहीं करना, जितना टाइम भी दिया हुआ है, जैसे 3 hours 25 minutes दिया है, तो पूरे टाइम में आर हैंड कितना घूमता है एंड मिनट वाले टाइम में मिनट हैंड कितना घूमता है, उन दोनों का डिफरेंस करके आप आंसर निकाल सकते हो. लेट मी टेल यू वन मोर क्वेश्चन. आफ्टर दैट आई विल गिव यू सम मोर क्वेश्चंस फॉर योर होमवर्क. Suppose there is a watch and we need to find angle between minute hand and hour hand when the time is 4:20. 4:20. What is the angle between them? I am giving you 5 minutes. Just take this time and try to find out the angle. Just like previous example, we need to find the angle covered by our hand in 4 hours 20 minutes. Convert this 4 hours 20 minutes in terms of hours only. So 4 plus 20 upon 60, that is 1 upon 3. It gives you 13 upon 3. So we need to find the angle covered by our hand in this particular time. So we all know this will be 360 upon 12 into 13 upon 3. Is that clear or not? Angle traced by our hand in 4 hours 20 minutes, that is 13 upon 3 hours. Angle traced by our hand. Angle traced by our hand will be this. You just calculate it. It gives you 130 degree. This will be in terms of degree. Now, angle traced by minute hand in 20 minutes only. You know, in 1 minute it covers 60 degree. How? 360 upon 60 into how much time? 20 degree. So you just calculate it. You know the difference. 130 minus 120, that is 10 degree. So the angle between minute hand and hour hand is 20 degree. I think all of you have done it. Now next is you have to find the angle between minute hand and hour hand at 440. It is your task again for 5 minutes, and I am giving you some more questions related to it. So let me explain you one type questions related to clock. Then in very next lecture I will explain you time and work. The question is, a clock started at noon. By 10 minutes past, find the angle which the hour hand turned. We all know it's quite easy. You can even write angle traced by hour hand in 12 hours is 360 degree. So angle traced by hour hand in 5 hours and 10 minutes. First of all, convert this 5 hours and 10 minutes into hours only. So it will be 5 plus 10 upon 60, that is 1 upon 6. 6 into 5, 30, 31 upon 6 hours aa jayega. And angle covered by hour hand will be 360 upon 12 into 31 upon 6. You will get the answer. एक और क्वेश्चन बता रहा हूं. How much does a clock lose per day if it hand coincide every 64 minutes? आपको बात समझनी है बहुत ध्यान से. This question is quite important. How much does a clock lose per day if its hand coincide every 64 minutes? Now just imagine how to solve. I have told you when I have explained you the basic concept of that 5 minutes spaces are covered in 60 minutes. 55 minutes spaces are covered in 60 minutes. पता है ना क्यों? Then 60 minutes spaces are covered. 60 minutes spaces are covered in 60 upon 55 into 60. भाई अगर 55 मिनट के स्पेस 60 मिनट में फिल होते हैं तो 60 मिनट के स्पेस कितने मिनट में फिल होंगे? 60 upon 55 into 60. You just calculate it. And now loss in 64 minutes will be this value. This value is 3600 upon 55 minus 64. You just calculate it. It gives you 16 upon 11 minutes. Now loss in 24 minutes we need to find in 24 hours, because in one day there are 24 hours. So loss in 24 hours will be 16 upon 11 into 1 upon 64 into 24 into 60 is equal to 360 upon 11 minutes. हो सकता है आपको ये क्वेश्चन समझ में ना आया हो, मैं आपको इसे दोबारा से एक्सप्लेन करूंगा, क्योंकि इसके लिए आपको इसका बेसिक कंसेप्ट समझना पड़ेगा बच्चों. स्पेसिस वाला जो मैंने आपको अभी पीछे बताया था। तो अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो दैट्स ओके, दिस इज नॉट इन योर सिलेबस, दिस इज फ्रॉम कंपटीशन साइड, दो आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू।